Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something important that you lost. Lost is second form, so you will use past tense. The whole thing is in the past tense.
Well, usually I am a very conscious person, very conscious person. I do not missing my thing because I put there in their proper place. But once time, unfortunately, I lost my mobile when I traveled from Mandi Bahudin to Lahore. I did not remember exactly how to lost it when I lost it. My mobile was very valuable for me because I received from my father on my last birthday. When I saw my mobile, I felt very excited and happy because its color was black and black color was my favorite. So. My mobile is very essential for me because my more contacts and in it, and I felt very uncomfortable without it because I disconnected with my friends.
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's fine, but you spoke for 1 minute 9 seconds, and when you are talking about the color of the mobile and all that, this is a bit irrelevant. The topic is what it was, how you lost it, why was it important, and how you felt when you lost it. So try to focus mainly all past tense and try to speak a little more. Okay, what do people generally do when they lose their things?
Mostly people report in police when they lost their things because these things very important for them, like car, mobile, so they report in police station.
Do you think old people tend to lose their things very often?
Repeat it.
Do you think old people lose their things very often?
Yeah, of course, because old people lost their memory. They did lost their memory.
All right, your basic English language is quite weak. You need to work hard with that, especially tenses, grammar, and all that, right?
Okay.
Thank you so much.